Greetings, skilled trades professionals! I'm thrilled to invite you to the most exciting event of the year, the Simprosium Roadshow. The stop in New Zealand will be hosted by yours truly, Greg Ward. Get ready for an unforgettable experience in Auckland. On the 21st of September, join us at Simprosium, where innovation takes centre stage. Have the opportunity to engage in insightful Ask Me Anything sessions with industry leaders. Discover their approaches, learn from their lessons and gain valuable advice straight from the experts themselves. Simprosium will also offer exclusive Simpro sneak peeks, giving you the first look at soon-to-be-released Simpro innovations. Plus, immerse yourself in captivating demos showcasing the latest advancements in technology. Stay ahead of the curve with our expert talks, where industry experts share their knowledge on the best and latest trade industry trends. Gain valuable insights about the cutting-edge developments shaping the future. At Simprosium, your voice matters. Engage in small group open space sessions focusing on the topics that are most important to you. Dive deep into discussions, share your perspectives, and connect with like-minded individuals. Join me and fellow trade enthusiasts at Simprosium, the ultimate event for innovation and inspiration. Register now and secure your spot at this game-changing gathering. Simprosium, where innovation meets inspiration. Visit our website at www.simprosium.com for more details and secure your place today.